At what point during a debt implosion and or market crash and freeze up would we see gold drop to a monetary sweet spot for buying?
The reality is, and going back to 2008, and Edgar, we can put that graph up. If you take a look at the spot market, which is a contract, easy to manipulate, just because during that period of time, 2008, we saw gold stocks plunge, we saw gold spot plunge, and we saw the collectible coins make new highs. So I don't think you wait about a sweet spot, because this is not a trade. This is your insurance. And, you know, while I do think that there will probably always be some gold or silver available, the premiums will make up for anything, any drop in spot price, because that's what's been happening. In fact, if you watch next week, I'll there's a graph on the central bank gold buying, but, you know, they've been scooping up gold assets since 2000. I think it's, thinking of the chart in my head, about 2006 is when the selling ended and the buying began. And then it was net, meaning all the central bankers looking at everything that they were doing. Then we were in net buying territory. But central banks already started to accumulate before the crash, before that crisis. Do you think they might have known something that you don't? So, there is the sweet spot for buying gold is now. Get it while you can, and you have the most choices in what you can get.
And just to add to that too, I think what you're saying is so important. It's insurance, right? And so the time to get insurance is now. Don't wait. But if you have all of your insurance in place, then if you really want to, then you can speculate on, let's try to wait for the gold price to drop and I'll buy some here or there, you know, but have your insurance policy in place before you speculate on anything, whether that's going to be stocks, crypto. Make sure you have your insurance policy in place before you go speculating.
Absolutely, because when you look at that, at what point during a debt implosion, right, the debt is already entering crisis territory. By the time the debt implosion actually happens, it's too late to do anything. That's the thing. We don't see, I just was talking about this yesterday. Everything seems to anyway, be going slow until it's fast. So the time to get into position is when it's slow. And you have all of your choices and you have all of your options. When you're looking at a market crash, a real crash, and a debt implosion and a freeze, it's too late. You're too late. If you like this clip and you want to watch the full video, just click right here. And to subscribe, click right here.